External setup.
Don't leave anything else. If no PCs show up on your network, Windows is probably at fault, but the source could be hardware. There's a really easy way to check. If you can access the internet, chances are that the problem isn't your hardware or drivers. And if the problem isn't hardware, start by going through the various Windows settings to see which one has gone bad. If you've never been able to see other computers on the network, check that they're all part of the same workgroup. Windows Vista changes the default workgroup name. Open your System Properties dialog from the Control panel, click the Computer Name tab, and then look at the Workgroup field. If they don't match, then click the Change button and enter the appropriate name. Next, look for duplicate IP address assignments, another common problem. Windows will usually pop up a warning about one PC being assigned an IP address that's already in use on the network. A router and/or PC reboot may often solve this, but also check that manually assigned static IP addresses haven't been set on some systems in the same area the router uses to assign automatic IP addresses. Check each PC individually by clicking Start, Run, and then typing cmd /k ipconfig and pressing Enter. Running Windows Update on all systems could solve this problem too, particularly on XP machines. As always, check cabling and Wi-Fi settings. Also, make sure the PC you want to reach is actually turned on. Finally, make sure the printers or folders you're trying to access are shared and have the appropriate permissions for clients to read. You'll need to log in as an administrator to do this. For folders, go to Windows Explorer, right-click the folder you want to share and select Share. For printers, go to Start, Printers and Faxes, Printers in Vista. Right-click the printer you want and choose Sharing. Remember, sharing in Vista is quite different than in XP. Make sure Network Discovery and file and/or printer sharing are turned on in the Network and Sharing Center. Once these issues are remedied, the problem shouldn't crop up again, and if it does resurface, a few reboots ought to take care of it.